like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, let's start Python from scratch. Our first topic is indexing and slicing with a string. So let's create a variable of name my string. Okay, what are variables? Mainly the question arises for beginners is what is variable? Variables are something that you will store a value inside that name. So for I'm storing the string A B C D E F G H I J. Okay, so therefore I am using a Visual Studio, therefore I have to write condition this if name equals to main then I have to execute that particular file. Therefore I am printing my string. One second, what happened? Yeah, it's perfect. So for what I am doing is I am assigning A B C D E F G H I J in my string variable. So if this condition happens, what is this condition? Therefore, as I am running this, if my name is equals to this python basic.py, if I am running this file, then it will print this my string. Therefore, let's run it. Yeah, it's printed. See, you can see. Now let's check further. Print. I want to print a fourth number. So what I have to write is print my string and then 4. Let's check if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. See, you have printed successfully printed it's printed a fourth number because here it starts with 0 1 2 3 and 4, so it will print index number 4. So if you want to print a fourth position, then you have to write here is 3. So let's start. Yeah, see, I have printed a fourth position. So now what is the slicing? Therefore I want to slice from a second index to a whole part, like till a j. So what I have to write is print and then my string, and then therefore I want to slice from a 2 and then till the end. Therefore what it will print is, see, it will start from the C, means index number 2, and then till the last position. It now therefore I wanted to index from 2 to 4. So what I have to write is print my string and I have to print is it 2 to 4. So let's check it. Yeah, see, you can see from 2 to 4 it is been printed. So for next method is print my string. I wanted to every 3, like see this way, these 3 elements, then these 3 elements, like this. What it works? What happened just now? Yeah, see, ADGJ. You will write like A, then 3 position left, D, then 2, G, and then J. Every 3 positions it will count, and every 3 index, difference of a 3 index, it will print the number. So for A, after 3 index there will be D, then after 3 index there will be G, and after 3 index there will be J, like this. And if you want to reverse a string, then what you have to write is print my string and then you have to write inside square braces -1 like this. So let's see what happens. See, we have printed a string which is mirror image of that. Yeah, it's perfect. See, now if you are working with C++ and that all things, then you have to write a bit of code, and you are string, you are like, what you can tell is you have to write many code. Yeah, you have to write many lines of code. It is in Python. Just write a one line of code and you can get a directly code. This is why the most of the people prefers a Python nowadays. Okay, so our second topic is string properties and method. Therefore, I am assigning a name. I am assigning a value to a name. Therefore, I am writing a Sam. Yeah. Okay. Now what I'm doing is, as we had seen earlier, I'm printing print and name 1. So as you know what it will print, AM, right? AM. Now what's next is I'm assigning this name 1, as I had written this, to a last name. So for name equals to name and 1. What it will print is same last name, because I had given that value to the last name, so there will be no difference. Let's see, yeah, AM. Now as I printed a last name, it will print AM. So if I want to concatenate this string last name plus, I'm writing name, and I'm giving here as a name 1 equals to this. What it will print, it will concatenate, so name 1. Let's check, it will concatenate, see, and snap. So it will concatenate means it will add this string name 1 plus this string as snap. So therefore I want addition of two string, like I'm writing an integer 1 equals to 2. As it is string, it will not add. I'm giving you an example. So for integer 2, it is 3. So if we add integer 1 plus integer 1 plus integer 2, it will not add, it will simply concatenate, and it will give output as a 23. If we want addition, then we will have to write like this. Now it will print as 5. See, now there are various methods for this. Now yeah, there is one more method, name is letter. So for I'm assigning a letter equals to z, and I'm printing letter into 10. Therefore letter and letter into 10. So it will happen is it will print a z 10 times. As I had already told, it has many more characteristics. So for I can split here, I can also split here. Therefore I'm writing is hello snare. What will happen is, let's check, letter dot split. Yeah, see, it is in the form of error. In the form of error, what it will write is hello and snare. This is the method used for converting a sentence into the errors. Now there are way more methods like I want is I want in uppercase, all the letters in uppercase. So upper, see, yeah. Now I want all the letters in lowercase. So lower, yeah, upper, lower, and these all things. Now as this is over, let's dive it up in third topic, print formatting with string. There are three methods for this: dot format method, f method, and percentage s method. So let's see first method of dot format method. So I'm printing so for this is I want to insert here in between this string. So for dot format, inside which I'm writing a inserted, and let's check. Yeah, see, I had successfully inserted this into this wall string. So this is a method how you can insert between. So let's check here, print, and I'm inserting three string. So sorry, two string. The so for this first, this second, this third. So dot format, and I'm writing is Fox, Brown, and Quick. Yeah, Fox, comma, Brown. Sorry. Yeah, Brown and Quick. So let's check. It will print like the Fox, Brown, Quick. So let's run it. The Fox, Brown, Quick. Now therefore I don't want this position here. I first want the Brown, Quick, and then Fox. So what I have to write is Control C, Control V. I will simply pass here the index. So what first I wanted is the brown. So 1, then 2, and then 0. So let's see. Yeah, the brown, quick, fox. So for you can do also like this by giving a name. So for I'm writing here B, then I'm writing here Q, I'm writing here F. So for here you will write F equals to this, B equals to this, and Q equals to this. See, it's again once again it will print a brown, quick, fox. So let's move to second method is F. Let's check it. Print. Let's say syntax is this way. So I'm writing I am, and writing here is this name. So let's check. Oh, it's giving me error. So why it's giving me error? Because I had not done a comma here. See, I'm snare like this. Yeah, it's more busy, it's more easy. You can use this format for inserting. Basically, I recommended this format for inserting a strings, and this and now moves to a third method. Now let's move on to the third method. So print, I'm writing say for I am going to inject. Yeah, I am going to inject, and then percentage s like this, and then here. Okay, so now what we are doing is simply writing here a percentage, and then I'm injecting like suppose I want something like this. Let's check it work or not. See, I'm going to inject something here. It will inject in between here. So basically these are the three methods for inserting inside a strings. Like a Hellcat.